Hello, in this lesson I'm going to introduce you to the process of reverse goods receipt or goods issue reversal. To process the reverse goods receipt, I will be using transaction MIGO_GR, which is the same transaction for the goods receipt of material. This transaction can be found by navigating through the following SAP menu path. So let's go first and click on logistics, then go to materials management, go to inventory management, click on goods movement, then go and click on goods receipt, then go to for purchase order, click on it, then go ahead and double click on transaction MIGO_GR goods receipt for purchase order. Let's go ahead and double click on that. Please keep in mind that transaction MIGO does more than one thing when it comes to goods movement. So for this lesson we are going to use MIGO to reverse a goods receipt document. The goods receipt purchase order screen is now displayed, and the defaulted options are goods receipt related to purchase order. The first field is called this one here, the executable action in transaction MIGO. So if you click on it and go and click on the question mark here or press the F1, SAP will display the definition of this field. Executable action in transaction MIGO indicates the business transaction that you want to enter in the system. Let's go ahead and close. Purchase order field, or we call it reference document field. Reference document field. This is what we call it, reference document for MIGO transaction. If you go and click on the field and click on the help with question mark, again it will give you the definition of reference document for MIGO transaction. Indicate the document you want to reference when you enter this transaction or the transaction. Just go ahead and close. So basically, to learn about any field, if you are not sure what it means, you go ahead and click on that field and click on the field and press then the F1 key or the question mark here, the menu bar. So now we know this is the executable field. Let's select the executable field and then click to see the list of options available for this field. Click now on cancellation from the list. We are about to cancel the goods receipt document or the material document. So we just chose cancellation option. Let's go ahead and enter the document number here. If you don't have the material document number, you could go and look for it using the search option. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and use the search option. Now enter the material number. We're going to use 100-510 for this lesson, and the plant number I'm going to write 300. Then go ahead and press the execute icon. A list of material documents are now displayed. We're going to select the first one that ends with 829. Let's go ahead and double click on it and then close. And we're going to go ahead and close the search area or detail area. The SAP system displayed all the reference details from the goods receipt document that ends with 20829. Let's view the General tab, which contains general data, the document data, and the posting date. In the header text, we can fill in the reason for cancellation and just say wrong supply. Click on the quantity tab to view the quantity ordered and the quantity received. The quantity 2 received we are about to cancel. Click on the purchase order data tab. From here you are also able to view the PO details by double clicking on the purchase order. Let's go ahead and double click on it. It will show the details of the PO. Go and click on the back out icon. Let's go ahead now and click on the Where tab to review the data. Movement type 102 is the reversal of 101 movement. The hyphen or the minus sign indicated the reversal of goods received. You can enter more comments in the text field here under the Where tab, and we could say that material in box was received damaged. And go ahead now and press the enter key. Go ahead now and set the indicator right here at the bottom before saving this transaction. So the SAP system will not allow you to save if this box is not selected. Let's go ahead now and save your work. The SAP system then will display a message that the material document has been posted. You have just concluded this lesson on how to reverse a goods received. Let's go ahead and click on the back out icon to exit this transaction. Let's review now the quiz questions in this lesson to find out how much you have learned from this lesson, and if you have any problem you could go back and review the material one more time.